In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add search bar animations in Wix Studio. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Wix Studio account. Open the website where you want to add the animation, then click Edit Site to enter the editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the page that contains your search bar. Click directly on the Wix search bar to select it. When the element is selected, a floating toolbar will appear near it with several editing options. From that floating toolbar, click the Animation and Effects icon. This will open the animation settings for the search bar and show you the available animation categories you can apply. Now choose the type of animation you want to use for the search bar. Wix Studio offers different animation styles depending on the element and layout, so browse through the options that are available to you. After that, select the specific animation effect you prefer. Pick the one that best matches the look and feel of your site. Once the effect is applied, review the customization settings that appear. Depending on the animation you choose, you may be able to adjust options like duration, delay, direction, trigger, or speed. Change these settings carefully to control how the search bar enters, moves, or responds on the page. After adjusting the settings, preview the animation so you can see how the search bar behaves. Watch the movement closely and decide whether the effect feels smooth and fits naturally with the rest of your design. If needed, go back and fine-tune the settings until you are satisfied with the result. When the animation looks the way you want, click Preview to test the search bar animation on your website. This gives you a better view of how visitors will experience it. Make sure the animation works properly and does not feel too fast, too slow, or distracting. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your changes live. This will update your site and apply the search bar animation for your visitors.
That is the full process for adding search bar animations in Wix Studio.
Follow these steps to give your website a more polished and interactive appearance. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.